Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are making aquarium for school project. First of all, we have to take a empty box according to the size of aquarium which we want to make. I am using a shoe box in this project. Now we have to color the inner side of box with light blue color so that it gives the effect of water. And we use dark blue color for the lower side. Green color is used to make the effect of grass on the back side. Now we make some sea creatures like fish, octopus, starfish using the cardboard. And I'm using white simple thread to tie these creatures on the upper side of the box. Like this. This will create very beautiful effect. Now we have to take a simple plastic transparent sheet to use on the front side of the box. This will give a look of glass. Now aquarium is ready. If this video is helpful for you, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.